Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm basically going to be reorganizing and just cleaning out my closet. So I partnered with Poshmark and I'm basically going to be selling some of my clothes that I don't use, don't wear, stuff that I feel like could use a different home because I don't even use it. So I'm gonna be leaving my Poshmark link in the description box. I'm gonna be selling stuff for under $5, like stuff that I haven't used at all. So if you guys want to download the app and follow me so you can, I guess, shop my closet, definitely check out the link in the description box because I have a lot of great stuff I'm gonna be putting on there. Okay, so here is my closet. So I basically have my clothes that I hang up color coordinated. So I go from white to gray to black. I only do this because I remove the doors from my closet because there were sliding doors and really annoying to just slide around. So I decided to just remove it to make my room look bigger. And then on this side, I have like my dresser. The first 3 are filled with clothes and the bottom 2 are filled with like my purses and stuff. So these laundry baskets basically have all my clean clothes that I need to put away. Most of the stuff are house clothes. I call them house clothes because I only wear them in the house. But I do have like a lot of, different stuff that I actually wear out. Oh, my poor little snake plant. I keep forgetting to open my window to let sun in and it's dying. Anyway, enough about plants. Let's get organizing. Feelings about this because I feel like I could get use out of it, but I never wear it because it's like short sleeve but a sweater, so it's like it's confusing. It doesn't know what it wants to be. So I got one basket done, so that's good. So now I just have to finish this basket. I already went through basically all 3 of these drawers. Like I said, these 2 drawers are filled with like my bags, so I'm not getting rid of any of my bags right now. Actually, I bought this bag like 2 years ago and I've never worn it, hence the tags. I think it's time to go. I also know for sure I'm gonna be donating these Oxford are there Oxford shoes? I have no idea, but they're super cute. All right, so let's see what I have in here that I do not wear. So I do not wear this. That's gotta go. I don't think I'm ever going to wear this, honestly, but I don't know, I may not sell that. I don't think this fits me. I've had this for like 2 years. I've never worn it, but it's super cute. I think I'm gonna keep this. One day I'll wear you. So I think these no longer fit, these Levi's. So I'm gonna be getting rid of those. I love this top so much, but I can't fit it over my big head, which is like, I don't even think my head's that big. It's just so sad. So I think I'm just gonna sell it. Again, I'm going to be selling everything on Poshmark, so everything is basically going to be over 70% off the price that I bought it. So I'm going to be selling this. It's a cute little skirt. I'm going to be selling these American Apparel jeans. I thrifted them, but I never actually wore them. These shoes that I've never worn. This, I'm going to be selling for like $6. So everything's going to be super cheap, super affordable. So yeah, definitely click the link in the description box.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
I always keep my boots stuffed. I'll just like stuff the inside to kind of keep the shape of the shoe.
Making angels in the sand, you ready?
Then I like to take an old magazine and just drop it in here, so when I hang it in my closet, it actually stays up.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.
So I always keep the flap on like the inside. So when I put them together on my in my closet, it just looks really neat because like the two flaps are on the inside. If you guys get what I mean. Again, I kind of keep that whole black to white theme going on because I do have an open closet and I just want it to kind of match my room. I do have other colors, like I have these nude shoes, so these I would store under my bed. One, because like they don't really go, I guess they do kind of go, but I don't have much room for them anyway, so I just store them under my bed. Okay, so I'm not done. I still have to go through my other drawer and kind of like fix it and make sure I want to keep everything in there, because weirdly enough, this drawer is mostly filled with my house clothes, probably because like it's old. And my new dresser that I bought, I actually keep all my new stuff in there.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
So in this first drawer, I just keep my casual t-shirts, my nicer t-shirts, long sleeve tops. Then back here, I have all my tube tops and then my bodysuits in the middle and then my t-shirts back there. Then I just have my crew necks and just like my casual sweaters, my, I guess like going out sweaters and nicer sweaters. Some flannels back there and just like other sweaters. Then down here, I have my outerwear. So this is like my fleece Fila jacket, my jean jackets, just stuff like that. And then these are just two sweaters. They're just super chunky, so I keep them down here. And then these are just my chunkier crew neck sweaters that I keep down here also. Then in this drawer, I just keep like my pants and my thicker leggings. And then I have my skirts. I keep leggings and biker shorts over here. And then back there, I have like all my summer skirts that I know I'm not gonna wear. All right, every time I go to film my outro, oh my God. I need you to relax. Are you good? Okay. This is never going to get done. You know what? Okay. If you, I can't do it. If you guys want to get some of the items that I am selling, click the link in the description box and you'll see everything. I didn't show you guys everything that I'm selling because there was a lot. So click to be surprised. Yeah, so I'm just gonna end this here before my dog starts barking again. Definitely subscribe if you guys want to see more cleaning, organizing, or just like other videos from me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.